Why should we learn how to manage people? Experts argue that we shouldn't try to manage people like we manage time and other resources. Instead, we should be striving to lead people. In this course, managing people refers to the things we do to work with others and get things done. It's often associated with people skills. People skills are the behavior patterns that allow us to interact and work well with others. Examples include empathy, nonverbal communication, and emotional intelligence. People skills are important to career development for at least two reasons. First, these skills are essential to success in most of today's jobs. Companies want employees with people skills. For instance, companies want managers who use their people skills to attract and retain the best talent. Indeed, there is some evidence that a large portion of career success depends on these skills. Managers with strong people skills tend to perform better because they know how to motivate their employees, leverage their abilities to get the work done, and provide opportunities to use their skills and grow in their role. The second reason people skills are important to career development is because they're scarce in the workplace. Despite their importance to success on the job, recruiters, hiring managers, and leaders say it's hard to find applicants with strong people skills. So why is this skill set so rare? One factor is the skills gap in education. Unfortunately, the skills some of us learn in school are not the skills needed to perform well in our jobs. Plus, people skills don't appear overnight. It takes years of hard work and persistence to develop them. So continue working on your people skills as you gain job-relevant knowledge and technical skills in the years to come.